The Narendra Modi government will present its maiden budget in early 9 days from now. Comparisons are being drawn between P. Chidambaram and Arun Jaitley. Taxation expert Ved Jain, speaking to NNIS, said when it came to a budget, he believed that Arun Jaitley will do justice and prove himself as the Union Finance Minister. Ved Jain said that his idea was that whoever is the Finance Minister, he has enough support to ensure that the right decisions are taken. He said as a law minister, Arun Jaitley was successful and he was sure that as the finance minister too, he will play his role well. He said the capability of Arun Jaitley cannot be doubted.
See, my idea is that whosoever is the finance minister, he has got enough paraphernalia with him, the support of the staff, the support of the past people who have been working in this, and basic intelligence. Mr. Jaitley has been a legal luminary and he has been quite successful as a law minister during Vajpayee's government. I see no reason why he will not be able to address all the issues, and his capability cannot be doubted.
Ved Jain said that as far as the talk of bitter medicine was concerned, then the people of the country will have to bear with some hard decisions in order to see better times.
See, the last 1 month is too short a period, frankly speaking, but the decisions are on the right track. If you want to put the economy on the track, you have to take all those decisions which are required, and in those decisions there may be certain hard decisions, certain difficult decisions. As a patient who is ill, you need to perform certain tests and you need to carry out certain surgical operation or other operation. So in those operations there will be pain, there will be some difficulties, but I believe if you want to make the patient to recover, then those steps are required, and similarly the health of the economy.
Powered by NNIS.